If you didn't already know, Guinness, or you may know them as the Guinness Book of World Records, pretty much records everything, ever, and keeps track of it all. Think of anything right now. Go ahead. The world's smallest rubber band? Guinness has a world record. Tallest mouse? Guinness has a world record. Maybe. I have no idea. But I will tell you what I do know. Elon Musk has broken a record recently. Yup, the weird guy who seems like a robot. The multi-billionaire tech giant from South Africa. Yep, that guy. He broke a record that is actually probably one of the hardest world records to break. Elon Musk broke the Guinness World Record for worst loss of fortune. He's still got more money than anyone I know, so don't go pouting for the guy. He'll be okay. But hey, what I'm more blown away by is that Guinness has a world record for worst loss of fortune. Can you imagine the ceremony? Do they give you a plaque? Weird. So, okay, yeah. Elon Musk has broken the world record for biggest drop of personal wealth in history. Most people would be thrilled to break a world record. I know I might get excited if I did, or a friend or family member. We'd celebrate with a nice dinner or something, but Elon Musk probably doesn't feel the same sentiment around his newest world record. Over just a little more than a year, the mastermind behind Tesla, Elon Musk, has lost a staggering, jaw-dropping, honestly, unfathomable $264 billion. Yes, billion with a B. Think about this. That is barely less than the entire gross domestic product of Greece, a country on Earth. One man who made a car company is worth more than the gross domestic product of an entire country. Wow. Wrap your head around that if you can. And remember, that is just what Elon Musk lost. He was worth about 460 billion. Yes, that's right, billion with a B. See what I did there? A little callback. Good times.
Popularity, a pleasure or a liability for you?
Well, it makes it difficult to go buy a coffee at the corner store, that's for sure. So it's hard to go around places, you know. I used to be able to just, you know, go to the store or walk down the street, and now it's quite difficult to do that.
You said that you cannot be and don't want to be alone. I very much share that feeling.
Yeah.
Where does it come from?
I think it's just a natural human reaction.
In November of 2021, Musk was worth 463 billion on paper, but the poor guy. Now, his on-paper wealth is estimated at about 200 billion. Should I stop for a second? Do we need a moment of silence? You're probably wondering what I'm wondering right now. If Musk broke a world record, that means someone else held the record before him. So, who was it? The previous world record holder for worst loss of fortune is a Korean-Japanese investor named Masayoshi Son. Yeah, you probably don't know the name. The guy was reasonable enough to sort of just get really rich, without being a celebrity for being really rich. Weird world we live in. Anyway, Son is the founder of the massive Tokyo conglomerate SoftBank. Masayoshi Son lost a pathetic $85 billion in the year 2000 during the dot-com crash. Oh, the memories. If you follow modern business affairs, you probably know that Elon Musk has been in the spotlight since taking over Twitter, and surprising to some, the huge drop in Musk's personal wealth doesn't stem from the chaotic takeover of Twitter at all. What is really to blame is the fall in the share price of his car company, Tesla. Let's go back to 2021. Tesla stock was trading at about $400 per share. Now, Tesla stock is trading at $120 per share. Over the last year or so, Elon Musk has sold enormous chunks of his Tesla shareholding. How much? I'm getting there. Patience. Around $58 billion. Yes, with a B. That's how much. You feel better now? The sell downs are a result of Musk buying Twitter. I guess since he's only one man, he can't be everywhere at once. Oh, and he bought Twitter for $64 billion with a B. His purchase of Twitter has had an effect on Tesla. It is believed that the fall of Tesla share prices are directly connected to his purchase of Twitter. I thought they said that wasn't why. I don't know. I can't keep up with these crazy finances and whatnot. Investors have been concerned that Twitter has distracted Musk from his car company. I don't know. That seems really dumb and short-sighted. But what is fascinating is how strange it is that investors and people who watch Musk put so much scrutiny on his personal actions and his companies and investments. I mean, Elon Musk lost over $200 billion and still has $200 billion. Doesn't that imply he kinda knows what he's doing? Regardless, it is a sign of how closely linked the performance of his companies are to his personal actions in his life. Musk still owns a 13% stake in Tesla. Take a step back with me. Even after all this, Tesla is still the world's most valuable car company, ahead of Mercedes and Toyota and literally every single other car company you can think of. That is how most valuable works. Musk is a master of his realm. The guy is smart. He may be weird, maybe a little eccentric, odd, robotic, but none of that stops him from doing what he does. And Musk is not concerned about the drop in Tesla price. In his opinion, they are short-term market fluctuations. The Guinness Book of World Records knows how much the fortunes of rich people can swing back and forth. They stress this because we mostly know their fortunes are tied up in shares. It's very possible that Elon Musk's appearance as the record holder is a matter of circumstance. His shares are in a single company. Mr. Musk still has plenty of cash to append however he sees fit. But things happen. The wind blows. And in December, Elon Musk was knocked off his perch as the world's richest person. The title of world's richest person now belongs to a French businessman, Bernard Arnault. Who the heck is this guy? He is the chief executive of luxury goods manufacturer, LVMH. Louis Vuitton, Moet Hennessy. They own a bunch of stuff, like Christian Dior, Sephora, Givenchy, Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, Tag Heuer, among a whole bunch more. Look it up. The 73-year-old Frenchman is now worth around $272 billion. Yep, billion with a B. What's great is that he has promoted absolutely zero nepotism in his companies. None whatsoever. Oh wait, what? Oh no, my bad. The exact opposite of that. Arnault has 5 children, and guess where they work? You got it. They all have senior roles at LVMH. Yay! I wonder how rich he is if we go by family wealth. Like, collect the whole family and add it up. What do you have? The real question we must ask is, how long do you think it will be until Musk is on top again? Tesla shares will improve. It seems impossible they wouldn't. And then all the money that Musk lost comes right back to him, and he's worth almost $200 billion. Yes, billion with a B, more than Arnault again. Before the stock price in Tesla plummeted, Musk was so rich that the next richest guy wasn't even in his rearview mirror. Seems like only a matter of time until Musk has the record for most money made, right next to his record for the worst loss of fortune. Psh, like Musk cares at all. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. We will be back very soon with more content to entertain you. Until then, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and show us the love. We will see you soon. Take care.